like to wish everyone a very Merry Craftmas. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some DIY Christmas room decor that you can make for this holiday season. If you make your own Christmas room decor, make sure to take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Elisabeth Acrylic because I would love to see it. Grab your craft supplies and let's get started. So we're going to start out with a plaid painted rock. So you're going to need acrylic paint in both red and black to make the colors of our plaid. Now just cover your work surface and grab your rock, and you can paint the whole rock with a coat of red paint and then just let that dry for a little bit. Now I'm grabbing a square shaped paintbrush so that I can paint on little black squares and just space these evenly all over the rock. Now you can go in with a finer tipped paintbrush and paint in little diagonal lines between each of the black squares, leaving a space that is blank and red in the middle. Let it dry and you have an adorable Christmas desk decor piece. For the next DIY, you're going to need a piece of cardboard and a piece of paper cut to size over top of it. You're going to take your piece of paper and then sketch out whatever design you want on it. I wrote Merry Craftmas and put some holly sprigs around it. Now you will need some acrylic paint in black, red, and green, and just set that aside. Cover your work surface and let the painting begin. Now you can go ahead and let your painting dry. Now just to put some tape on all corners of your board so that you can stick your painting right on top. For the next DIY, we're going to start out by making a Christmas tree shaped stencil. So we're just going to want to fold a piece of white paper in half and sketch out a Christmas tree design right along the fold line. And then you can go ahead and cut your stencil out. Now grab a green piece of paper that you can sketch all of your Christmas trees onto using your new stencil. Now go ahead and cut all of your little Christmas trees out. Grab a dowel or stick that you'll want to hang your trees on and just arrange your trees underneath it. Now you can measure out some clear fishing line or string to go along each string of Christmas trees. Now just tape the string onto the back of each of your Christmas trees, and you can use a ruler to help space this out if you'd like. I spaced my Christmas trees 1.5 inches apart. And now you can just flip them all over and tie your strings onto your dowel. I also used a ruler to help me with this step. Now just snip the extra pieces of string off of the ends, and you're done with your Christmas tree wall hanging. That was our last Christmas room decor idea. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Comment down below which DIY was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to join the fun and click the little notification bell so you don't miss when I post my next video. I'll see you then. Mahalo!